Hello and welcome students to the section 16 Android pen testing SQL injection attack on Android. Now in this section we are going to take a look at various points. Like first of all we will learn about what is the meaning of SQL injection. Then we will learn about Drozr installation and commands, as Drozr is a software so we need to install it inside Android. So that we will learn inside this section, as well as how we can perform SQL injection attack on Android, that we are going to cover in this section. Let's start with the first video of section 16 about SQL injection attack on Android. In this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about SQL injection attack on Android and process of SQL injection attack. So we will learn about what is SQL injection and how attacker attack on Android application using SQL injection attack, and what is the process to perform SQL injection attack on Android application, that we are also going to cover. So let's start with SQL injection attack on Android. In the first point you can see that SQL injection is used to attack on databases. Actually yes. So let me show you that how it works. Basically this is your Android mobile. This is the DB, right? This is your mobile and this is your database. So what happens, basically attackers tries to insert SQL injection commands inside your Android application, and they try to insert these commands inside the database of SQL injection, basically the backend of SQL injection. And it happens when, if database is not able to detect whether these queries are harmful or malicious, then database provides information. If database is able to detect these kind of queries, they don't provide any information. So it depends on what kind of query attacker is trying to provide. There are thousands type of queries available inside SQL, so attacker use any kind of query inside the web application or inside networks or inside mobile application to perform SQL injection attack. Alright, so by using SQL injection attack, attacker first of all tries to bypass security mechanism inside mobiles or websites, etc. Right, and then if it is able to bypass that security mechanism, then database can provide the complete information, because database is not able to detect that this information, this query is malicious or not. So database provides all the information to the attacker completely. What kind of information they can provide? For example, that information is like your phone numbers, customer phone numbers, customer email IDs, customer names, customer account number, customer card details, etc. So these kind of sensitive data can be retrieved by using SQL injection attack. So using SQL injection attack, attacker can gather sensitive information from data. Obviously this is database, and attacker just needs to bypass the security mechanism, and after that database provides the complete info to the attacker. It means the security breach. So SQL injection is also considered the #1 attack available. So by using SQL injection attack, you can see that attacker can retrieve or gather these sensitive information from your database. So that's why it is considered in top 3 attacks available in Android application. So we are going to learn here in this section that how we are going to perform SQL injection attack on Android application, and how we can gather information like username, passwords, etc. using SQL injection attack. So this was the basics of SQL injection attack, and in the next video we are going to download and install Drozr and DrozrAgent.apk, because by using these tools we are going to perform SQL injection attack on Android application. Thank you.